In today's video, we're diving into one of the most creative, fun, and profitable side hustles out there, selling custom jewelry online. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can start this business for free using AI. We're going to build a fully functional online store with AI tools, and I'll walk you through everything step by step. If you've been looking for a new side hustle or even a way to turn your creativity into a steady stream of income, this is the one you're going to want to stick around for. Whether you're artistic, love fashion, or just want to get into e-commerce without dealing with warehouses or high startup costs, custom jewelry might be your thing. We're going to get into why this business model works, and then I'll show you how you can get the actual store set up. So first off, why custom jewelry is a smart business to start. So jewelry is one of those timeless products that never really goes out of style, and the demand for personalized pieces just keeps growing. People love buying items that feel unique to them, whether it's a name necklace, birthstone ring, or matching friendship bracelets, or zodiac sign pendants. The emotional connection to jewelry is really powerful, and that's exactly what gives it selling power. Also, jewelry has really solid profit margins. Most pieces, especially if you're working with print on demand or handmade suppliers, don't cost much to produce, but you can sell them at a premium because they're custom or handcrafted. That means more money in your pocket without needing to sell hundreds of units every month just to break even. It's also lightweight and easy to ship. You don't need to worry about bulky inventory or shipping costs being insane. And let's not forget, it's Instagram and TikTok gold. Jewelry photographs really well, and that makes content creation and especially marketing super easy, especially if you're doing it yourself or using AI generated models. Now you might be thinking, okay, but I'm not a designer. I don't know how to make jewelry. That's the beautiful part. You don't have to be. There are tools and platforms that let you design or customize jewelry super easily, or even partner with suppliers who handle the production and shipping for you. You're basically acting as the creative director and the brand owner, and AI can help with the rest. Everything from your store design to product mockups and descriptions. This makes it really accessible for beginners. You don't need a background in design or tech. You just need a vision and a bit of patience to put the pieces together. And I'm going to show you how. Now let's get into how to actually build your online jewelry store without spending a dime using AI. So the tool we're going to be using is called Storebuild.ai. The platform is built for entrepreneurs who want to launch online stores super fast. In literally a few clicks, you can go from a blank screen to a live website. Storebuild.ai uses AI to generate your full store homepage, product pages, about sections, FAQs, and even policies. It's basically like hiring a web designer and a copywriter without having to pay a single dollar. And if you've ever felt overwhelmed by platforms like Shopify or WordPress, this will feel like a breath of fresh air. So let's walk through the steps. So if you want to make sure you're getting the best price possible, I've left that link in the description for you. Once you click that link, you will be brought to this page, and then we'll go ahead and click build my free store. From here, you will need to put in your name and email and your phone number. Then we're gonna select a niche. So we'll do clothing. We'll pick a color. Let's actually go with red. And then from here, we'll choose our banner style. So I think we'll go with that one. And then next, we do have to create a free Shopify account, which you can just, again, click directly right there, type in your email address and click start for free. Go ahead and click create my Shopify account. They're going to ask you some questions right here. So where would you like to sell? Online store. I'm not selling yet. What do you plan to sell? We'll just click I decide later. And then from here, you can choose the best plan for you. So with Shopify, you don't have to pay anything right now, but you could get it free for the first 3 days, and then it's $1 a month for 3 months. So they've got the basic, the grow, and the advanced. And the basic is probably good for you just to start. And as the plan increases, the card rates decrease, and then you get custom reports and analytics for each. And then for the grow and advanced, this is more of if you have a team. So you get 5 additional staff accounts for the grow plan and 15 for the advanced. So you can always start with the basic plan just to get started. And again, it will be free for the first 3 days and then $1 for the first 3 months. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is go ahead and copy this and just put it right here. Click next winning products. Then we need to activate Zendrop, which again is completely free. So we'll go ahead and install this and then click install. Again, this is very simple to just follow the instructions, but save this video in case you need to come back and need a little refresher. Okay, next. Now we click go live. Approve subscription. Okay, approve. Continue onboarding, go live, and it will build our store. Cool. Now we'll just access Shopify, and then this is where you can customize it from here. So from here, this is where we can design your store in seconds. Okay, so now our store is ready to go and we can just customize directly from here. So again, you can customize it from from here, you can change the brand name, tweak the colors, choose your fonts, update the logo and product images. This is also where you can upload product mockups or use AI tools to generate them. If you don't have product photos yet, you can use something like Canva to generate really beautiful lifestyle shots of your jewelry, or you can use mockup sites like Placeit. So I have left the link for Canva in the description. It's something that I personally use every single day and I absolutely love it. Next, you'll have to add products. If you're working with print-on-demand partner like Shine On or Printful, you can just add their jewelry templates and sync them to your store. Just upload your customizations like names, date, birthstones, and the supplier will handle the production and shipping for you. What I love about this is you never have to touch inventory. You just set up the listing, and when someone buys it, it automatically gets fulfilled. And if you choose to make the jewelry yourself, this is where you can upload your own product images, set prices, and write out the description. Next, after that, you'll have to set up payments and policies. So it does integrate with common ones like Stripe or PayPal. I personally use Stripe and it's very easy and straightforward. You'll just want to review your shipping and return policies, and also AI can generate these too, but just make sure they fit how you want to run things. This is also a great time to add an FAQ page if your customers will likely ask questions about personalization, shipping times, and jewelry care. So now that we've covered how to build your actual site, next we need to start promoting it so people can actually find it and shop from you. And that's what we're going to talk about next. Now, how to promote your store without paid ads. Since this is about selling custom jewelry online for free, we're not going to dive into paid ads or expensive marketing strategies. Instead, here are a few effective budget-friendly ways to promote your store. Start with Instagram and TikTok. These platforms love visual products and jewelry content does insanely well. Record short videos of your product mockups, show behind the scenes of your process, or even create ASMR style unboxing. You don't even need a huge following to make sales, just post consistently and use niche specific hashtags. You can also create a Pinterest account and start pinning your product photos with keywords like custom birthstone ring or personalized name necklace. Pinterest is basically a visual search engine, so it's great for getting long-term traffic to your store. Another tip is to use Etsy as a funnel. List a few bestsellers on Etsy, then include your store's URL in your packaging or thank you messages so repeat customers can come directly to you next time. One of the best parts of this model is how much you can automate with AI. Beyond just building your store, you can use AI tools for your marketing too. Tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can help write product captions, emails, and blog posts. AI image generators can help you create branded lifestyle images or new product mockups if you don't have a physical inventory yet. You can even set up an AI chatbot on your site for customer service. That way, if someone messages your store about shipping or sizing, the bot can handle it automatically. All of this lets you scale faster without having to do everything manually. Now, how much can you really make? We're going to talk numbers for a second. So obviously income varies depending on how many products you have, your pricing, and your marketing, but I've seen people make anywhere from a few hundred to several $1000s per month just selling jewelry on the side. If you're consistent, treat this like a real business and put in the work to grow it, it absolutely has potential to turn into a full-time income. The best part is because you started this business for free, everything you earn is basically profit once you cover the small fulfillment and transaction fees. So if you've been thinking about starting a jewelry brand, now is the time. With platforms like Storebuild.ai, you don't need a big budget, you don't need to be a tech genius, and you don't need a team. You just need the willingness to try something new and stay consistent. So make sure you use that link in the description below to sign up for Storebuild.ai so you can get your store up and running ASAP. You truly will be surprised at how quickly momentum builds when you just start. And if you want more tools to help you grow your side hustle, I've linked some of my favorites in the description below. That's it for today's video. I hope this gave you clarity and confidence to start your own custom jewelry business without spending a ton of money. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'd absolutely love to hear from you. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.